Oh yeah, so hello everyone. So today I'm going to be discussing about the Thomas Shelby strategy, what the Thomas Shelby strategy is actually is, and how we can find the setups and what is the strategy and how it works and what are the time frames that we have to use. Everything we are going to discuss about in this video. And actually, guys, the Thomas Shelby strategy is actually a straightforward strategy which we can use in the market to find these types of setups, and we can be able to leverage them by switching on to the smaller time frames like this, and to able to find the impulsive moves on the higher time frames and getting the sniper entries like this. So so before going on to the strategy, I would like to say you one thing here, guys. Before you leverage any market, before you leverage anything in the market, you have to make sure that you are on the right path. Before you leverage the market, you have to understand that the market is going in your direction. So yeah, so before going on to the Thomas Shelby strategy, I would like to show you one pattern, and that is actually this one. And let me show you on the chart where it is. Sorry guys. Yeah, here it is. So actually, to find these types of setups, you have to make sure that the pattern should be like this, or else the pattern should be like this. So now what I mean by this, actually, to find the setups, you have to make sure that the market has broken the structure, which is POS. Like the market has to break the structure, and if the market breaks the structure, and what you actually have to do is you have to find the market on the smaller time phase, which is same like this. And now when you find these types of setups, have to the market has to break the lower structure and as well as the upper structure. So market has to break even above the side of the structure, and even below the structure of the market. So what I mean by this, let me show you on the chart clearly. Uh, so yeah, so what I mean by this, actually, in order to find those types of setups, let's just suppose the market is right here, making like this. So now you have find that the market has blocked the structure to the opposite side. I mean, like it's actually a continuation trend. But whereas coming to this particular point, you have to find that the market is going like this. Have to break the structure to the below and breaking the structure to the above. Now coming down, breaking of structure, which is actually a change of character. Now we have to find the zone somewhere around here, and the market is going to come up, and that is when you'll get your entry, and your take profit is right above here. I mean, right below here. You have to take your entry from here to here by using this particular pattern. So I'm going to show you how we can take that pattern, and what are the time frames that we have to use, and what is actually the rules of the Thomas Shelby strategy. So here we have took this entry right over here, which is CHFJPY, and I can break down the gold as well. On the higher time frames, as you could actually see that the market is going down. Uh, Sorry. Yeah. So on the higher time frames, as you could see here, that the market is going to the upside, has broken the structure to the upper side. Now, as when we are here, as when we are here, we have to find the market is going in our direction. So how are we gonna find that? Basically, we have to switch on to the 1 hour time frame, and in 1 hour time frame, Right now, as you could see, as the pattern that I was talking about, the market has to break the structure to the upper side and even to the downside. As when you get that type of pattern, what you have to do is actually marking up the volume candle. And how we're gonna find the volume candle is actually finding out the last move of that particular movement before breaking the structure. Take the volume profile right over here, the tool, and switch on to the smaller time frames like 30 minutes, because it is too small for me to check the movement. So now, as you could see, it's a point of interest, and also you could see there is a less volume of you can see there is a less volume here. Now, the less volume, the more probability of the market can reach up to here and then gonna be sell. So after this, what we are gonna do is just waiting for the market to reach right up to the point, and our first take profit is the 4 hour time frame, and our first take profit is this, and our second take profit is this. So what we're gonna do is actually we're gonna wait for the market to reach into this zone, the 1 hour time frame. We're gonna take a short position right after when the market reaches to here, and our stop loss is as usual right above the last previous high, and the take profit is this, the first take profit, and the second one is gonna be right over there to the downside. So now we're gonna be waiting for the market to reach it to this zone. Let's just see how the market is gonna react, and let's just switch on to the. So yeah, as you could probably see, the market has reached to the point. Now it's going down. Yeah, yeah, guys. So that is how we're gonna find the market. You know, we can take our entries, and we can actually leverage our entries right after every breakout of a structure in this move on the smaller time frame. And this is something called the Thomas Shelby strategy. You can even use the trend line here like this. So right after the breakout, we need to make sure that the market is clear cutly connecting to the zone, and from there the market is going to be boom right over here. So that is how the market is going to work. This is something called the Thomas Shelby strategy, and it is actually somewhat easier for us to conclude the market by holding some particular strategy. So the only suggestion that I'm going to give you guys is actually focus on one thing, focus on one strategy, and that makes you profitable over a time, over a period of time. When you focus and practice very well on that particular strategy, that makes you profitable and win in your life. So that is all my concern about the forex trading. Okay, guys, this is all about the Thomas Shelby strategy. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys really like it, just please subscribe to my channel and like to share to the forex traders who are actually needed for these type of strategies. And yeah, so if you guys want to learn from me directly from one-on-one sessions, or else you guys wants to have a course with me, or else you guys wants to learn my personal strategy as well, uh, I'm a bit free for that. You guys can contact me anytime. I'll give you the numbers in my description below. And yeah, guys, so I'll be waiting for that. Have a good night.